Anno Mundi, often abbreviated AM, is a Latin phrase meaning "in the year of the world." It refers to calendar systems that count years from the creation of the world, rather than from a historical event like the birth of Christ, AD, CE, or the Hijra, AH. Key points. Anno, in the year. Mundi, of the world. Common usage. The term is used primarily in biblical or religious chronologies, especially Jewish and early Christian contexts, based on calculations from sacred texts. Examples: 1. Jewish calendar, Hebrew Anno Mundi system. Starts from what is considered the creation of the world in Genesis, according to traditional rabbinic reckoning, from the Seder Olam Rabbah. Creation occurred in 3761 BCE. Therefore, the Gregorian year 2025 corresponds roughly to Anno Mundi 5785. 2. Christian usage. Byzantine Anno Mundi. Used by some early Christians, particularly in the Eastern Roman, Byzantine Empire. They calculated creation at 55509 BCE, so their year 1 AM 555509 BCE, thus 2025 AD 7534 AM in this system. Why it's significant. Anno Mundi systems reflect attempts to anchor history in a theological framework, often used in biblical genealogies and chronologies to calculate the timing of events like the flood, the Exodus, or the coming of the Messiah. Let's break this into two parts. 1. How the creation date was calculated in the Hebrew, Jewish calendar source. Texts used: Torah, Hebrew Bible, Tanakh, particularly Genesis. Rabbinic sources, especially Seder Olam Rabbah, 2nd century CE. Calculation method: Jewish sages added up the ages of key figures from Adam to later generations, based on the genealogies listed in Genesis 5 and 11, such as person age at birth of next generation Adam, 130, birth of Seth, 105, Enosh, 90, Kenan, Noah 500, birth of Shem,